Now I will show you how to work with the limit clause. In order to work with the limit clause, you see that this is actually used to specify the number of records to return. I am going to show you with practical examples so that you can understand. I am going to the students table. Here you see that there are some information. Now I want to show the information like that. Select all from students, but here I will use limit. So what I will use here? So limit 3 or limit 4. Limit 4 means from the students table all data will come, only first 4 data will come, or that query result data it will come. For example, I am going also I can give here the question mark and put the 4 here. Okay, now I am going to show all the data from this table where limit 4. So refresh, it is showing that SQL, what is here, select all from students, limit 4. Here I am going to do one thing. I am going to give limit here directly. Now it is showing. Okay, no problem. Now you see that these are the information, only 4 information is showing. Now if I change it to 5, if I refresh, you see that 5 information is coming. That means the limit will work to show all the data, but up to a certain limit. How many data will be retrieved, I will have to give it here using the limit. So here you can also give here order by. So order by, then order by, for example, what order by ID DESC. So if you refresh, you will see that the limit is okay, but it comes from the back. So from the back means 76543. So after showing total 5 data, it is just going to skip. So this is the uses of the limit clause. Another one is offset. I am going to show you what is the offset. For example, here from which place the data will start to show. For example, I will show only 2 data. So limit 2, right? So if I refresh, you see that 762 data is showing. That means it starts to run from the back, and 765 in this way it is going to come. But after, as I give here the limit, so after showing 2 data, it is just going to skip. But using the offset, I can tell that the searching will be started after 2 items or after 1 item. So I can give the offset. The offset starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. If I give 2, so the data will be started from searching here. So here I can use the offset that is given here. Okay, so limit 2 offset 2. Offset 2 means what will be in the output? 54. Refresh, you see that 54. That means first 2 items from the back, when it will start to search, the first 2 items will be omitted. It will start working from here. So 54, 2 items are showing. So here if I give the offset 3, what will happen? It will be started to search from 0, 1, 2, 3 from here. So 4 and 3, these 2 items will be shown. Refresh, you see that 4 and 3, these 2 items are showing. If I use the ascending order ASC, what will happen? So it will start from here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 5 also will be shown like this, 4 and 5. So I hope you have understood this thing where I use the limit 2 offset 3. It can be used another way. That is, I can easily give first offset then limit. Limit 2 offset 3. Okay, so here limit 2 comma 3. That means here I can give 3 comma 2. In this way I can also show it. So refresh, you will see that the same result is here. That thing I have shown here using an example, that is select all from example here where limit 2 offset 3. that means limit 3 offset 2. So first one will be offset, then the second parameter will be limit. So offset starts from 0 1 2 from here, and total 3 data is in the limit. So this 3 will be in the output. So you see that 5 6 7, these 3 are coming in the output. So this is the basic of the limit clause. I hope you have understood it well.